Are you thinking of getting yourself a website or updating your existing one? Or do you know someone who is? Do you need a website? Not sure what questions to ask? Or you just don't have the time or the energy to create or update it yourself? SG Webcraft is a fractional IT company who have the experience and know-how to answer your questions and help you decide. We have a workshop taking place on the 7th of December 2024 at 10:30am GMT and again on the 14th of December at 10:30am GMT that will answer the above questions and ask you some more. There are limited spaces for both these sessions, so to sign up, go to www.sgwebcraft.co.uk/book-online to book your space. It's on sale right now too, at only £14. And for those early birds who book a space, we've got a goodie bag to give to you. We look forward to hearing from you soon.